Well, as you know, I got in my truck, cranked it up, and it says that oil change is due. So I'm gonna go ahead and go through the procedures, show you how to do a basic oil change on any vehicle. But this right here is a 2012 Dodge Laramie. We're gonna go through some steps, so stay tuned. Some of the tools you're gonna need when you change your oil. Of course, this truck carries 8 quarts of oil. I've got plenty of oil, like a small funnel, the wrench for the oil bolt, oil pan bolt, and a good strong filter to carry the oil, and oil filter wrench if you need it. These are the tools I have here I'll be using today. I'm underneath the truck, and right here you see it, my oil pan with my oil gonna eventually drop in there. I got a spill can underneath the oil pan, 1 or 2 rags in case something goes wrong. I doubt that. You know, leakage of oil, it's hard to clean up on the pavement. And here's my oil bolt. I get better position here. That's the oil bolt, so I'm gonna start loosening that up. My wrench here, I got a 1/2 inch here. Should work perfect. Line the oil pan up because the oil's gonna squirt. If it's hot, make sure you wash yourself. Here we go. Left loose and right tight. Pushing to the left. Left loose. Once I get it slowly, I take my wrench off. Use my fingers. Move it slowly. Make sure the oil shoots out. It's gonna shoot out. It's gonna hit the pan, hit this build kit. It's gonna put it shoot out. Here we go. There you go, shooting out. Black liquid oil. It's gonna pour off for a while. Once it's finished, then I'll do the oil filter. It's pretty much close to finished draining. Now for my oil filter, this said get a little oil and wrap it around or rub it around the oil seal on your new oil filter. So I'll do that too. Some people say you don't have to do it, or some people do it, but I've been doing it all my life, so I'll do that. Just get it kind of soft and lubricant. So when you put it on there, I guess it works better. I don't know. I've always done it. So we see. It's coming out to a slow drip. Make adjustment. Coming to a slow drip. So I'll take the nut, which is good, clean. It washes around there. Because you don't have that wash on there, it will leak. So make sure you have a wash on that. And start screwing it back in. Get your little rag, clean up that area. Take your wrench, get a couple of turns, right tight. That's tight enough for me. And the oil filters right here. As you notice, I got a towel around the oil where I think the oil's going to probably leak at. They all leak. But to save yourself some time of smelling oil when you drive your vehicle, I just use a towel, wrap it around the bars or wrap it underneath the oil filter. The oil filter should be kind of loose. I tested earlier, so I'm going to unscrew that. Oil filter, slowly unscrewed it. Make sure your oil pan is in the right position. Because and it leaks, you want to push it in the leaks if possible. So I got the adjustment there. The oil filter is coming down slowly in case oil starts leaking. And it starts leaking, oil is going to drop down automatically. Pour itself out a little bit. As long as the oil's not too hot, you'll be alright. Unscrew the oil filter. Take your time, you're not in a rush. Just doing it yourself. Keep your trying to straight much as possible. Make sure the oil's not too hot. Drop it down, turn it upside down. If you have the safety glasses on, which I have my safety glasses on, you'll notice the oil is still pouring. Let it keep pouring. Let it drip for a while. As you notice, it's coming to a slow drip. That pretty much is good enough there. I slip my oil filter up there. We're using a Bosch oil filter. I always use Bosch. Stick it in there, hold it tight, turn it to the right. Turn it to the right. I always hang tight mine, tight as I can get it. And I'm finished underneath. Alright, about to pour the oil in here. Slowly, I'm gonna put 8 quarts in here total. But be very careful. Make sure you check the owner's manual, see how much oil, quarts of oil your vehicle carries. If you look on the side of this right here, it tells you by quarts. So I'm gonna put a total of 8 quarts in my vehicle. Alright, pull everything down. Close everything up. Let the oil settle. Take a look at this stick. Oh yeah. Perfect. So I crank it up, run through the crankshaft. Everything will be lovely. We're good to go. I noticed I came in the car to finish change oil, turn it on, so you got oil due, message 1. So what I'm gonna do is this right here. If an oil change or message is shown, it appears in the signal chime scene, a signal chime sound. It is time for your next oil change. I will just change my oil. Now I'm going to reset everything. I'm resetting. I'm going to turn the ignition switch back off. Turn the ignition switch to the on position. On run position. On run position. I'm not going to start it. I'm going to fully depress the accelerator pedal 3 times within 10 seconds. 2 times. 3 times. Turn this switch off. What happened? Nothing showing up. I turn it off again. Turn it forward. See how it looks. Okay, wait on it. Nothing showing up. That means my oil is ready to go for another 5,000 to 6,000 miles. And once again, all I did was to reset my oil gauge. Is I turned the ignition switch to the on position. I did not crank the engine, start the engine. I fully depressed the accelerator 3 times within 10 seconds. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1, 2, 3. 3 times already up. Turn the ignition switch to the off position, unlock, and that's it. Finish. All 101.